Navigating the ever-expanding world of yogurts can feel a bit like walking through a labyrinth. From traditional to Greek, from flavored to plant-based, the dizzying array of options leaves you spoilt for choice. While yogurt has a well-earned reputation as a healthy, protein-rich snack, not all are created equal, especially when it comes to individuals living with diabetes. Diet plays a pivotal role in managing diabetes, and choosing the right type of yogurt can make a significant difference in maintaining blood sugar levels. Before we continue, if you appreciate all the information and the research that goes into making a video like this, it does help out tremendously if you hit the like button or hit subscribe. Thank you, and let's begin. Imagine you're browsing the dairy aisle of your favorite grocery store. Among the countless options, one particular type of yogurt that might be most troublesome for diabetics is undoubtedly the flavored or sweetened versions. Often these are presented with pictures of succulent fruits on the packaging, leading us to believe they're loaded with natural goodness. Unfortunately, the reality is a little more sugar-coated than that, quite literally. While these flavored yogurts may seem like a nutritious choice, they often contain a significant amount of added sugars. Just one serving of a popular strawberry-flavored yogurt, for instance, can contain up to 19 grams of sugar. That's equivalent to almost 5 teaspoons of table sugar. A study published in the British Medical Journal in 2018 demonstrated the link between the intake of sugary foods and the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. With high sugar content, flavored yogurts can lead to spikes in blood sugar levels and are therefore not the best choice for diabetics. Another research, the Shanghai Women's Health Study, published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, highlighted a positive association between sugar-sweetened food consumption and the risk of type 2 diabetes. These flavored yogurts, unfortunately, fall into the category of sugar-sweetened foods. Now that we know the worst choice of yogurt for diabetics, let's shift gears to the more positive side of things. There are healthier alternatives available that not only satisfy your yogurt cravings, but are also kinder to your blood sugar levels. Here are our top 5 picks. First up, we have Greek yogurt. This thicker, creamier cousin of regular yogurt is a standout choice. The straining process used to make Greek yogurt removes most of the whey, reducing the sugar content. Plus, Greek yogurt is high in protein, which slows digestion and prevents blood sugar spikes. A 2014 review in the journal Diabetologia reported a reduced risk of type 2 diabetes with high-protein diets. The second option on our list is plain, non-fat yogurt. With no added sugar or flavors, it's a straightforward, wholesome choice. The fat-free element means it's lower in calories too, assisting in weight management, which is crucial for diabetics. The American Diabetes Association even lists plain yogurt as a diabetes superfood due to its high calcium content and probiotic benefits. Next, let's talk about skyr, a traditional Icelandic yogurt. It's similar to Greek yogurt, but even higher in protein and lower in sugar. Its dense, creamy texture makes it a satisfying choice. Furthermore, a 2015 review in the Journal of Nutrition showed a beneficial effect of high-protein dairy products on insulin sensitivity and the risk of type 2 diabetes. Fourth on our list is soy yogurt. For those who are lactose intolerant or prefer plant-based options, soy yogurt is a great alternative. It's low in fat and sugar, but high in protein and fiber, helping to slow down digestion and stabilize blood sugar levels. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition in 2019 found a significant association between a higher intake of plant protein and a lower risk of type 2 diabetes. Finally, and perhaps the best of all, is our fifth choice, homemade yogurt. Making yogurt at home lets you control what goes into it, allowing you to sidestep all the hidden sugars that commercial brands may sneak in. You can add your own choice of natural sweeteners, like stevia, or flavor it with fresh fruits and spices, ensuring you're eating clean and keeping your blood sugar levels steady. A study in the Journal of Functional Foods in 2016 found that homemade yogurt with added blueberries provided significantly more antioxidant benefits compared to commercially available yogurts. So, not only are you looking out for your blood sugar levels, but you're also giving your body a healthy antioxidant boost. Choosing the right yogurt can have several benefits beyond managing diabetes. Yogurt contains probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that can help promote a healthy gut. Consuming yogurt with active cultures can aid digestion, improve gut health, and alleviate symptoms of certain digestive disorders like irritable bowel syndrome. Yogurt is a good source of essential nutrients like protein, calcium, vitamin B12, riboflavin, and phosphorus. Including yogurt in your diet can help ensure you meet your daily nutrient requirements, contributing to overall health and well-being. Probiotics found in yogurt can help boost your immune system. They support the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut, which can enhance the body's immune response and help protect against infections and illnesses. Yogurt, especially the low-fat or Greek varieties, can be a healthy addition to a weight management plan. It provides a satisfying source of protein, which can help you feel fuller for longer and reduce cravings for unhealthy snacks. Yogurt is a rich source of calcium and vitamin D, both of which are essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Regular consumption of yogurt can help prevent osteoporosis and improve bone density. Some research suggests that consuming yogurt may have a positive effect on heart health. The combination of probiotics, calcium, and other nutrients in yogurt may help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and decrease the risk of heart disease. Emerging evidence suggests that gut microbiota can influence brain health and mental well-being. Probiotics in yogurt may have a positive impact on mood and reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. Indeed, managing diabetes doesn't mean you have to give up on the simple pleasures of life, like enjoying a bowl of creamy, delicious yogurt. It's all about making wise choices. By opting for yogurts with lower sugar content and higher protein, such as Greek yogurt, skyr, or homemade versions, you can enjoy this versatile food while keeping your diabetes well under control. Always remember, though, to check the labels when buying commercial yogurt. Aim for options with no added sugars and high protein content. You might also want to look for yogurts with live and active cultures, which can help promote a healthy gut. Also, don't forget that everyone's body responds differently to different types of foods, and what works for one person might not work for another. It's always advisable to monitor your blood sugar levels after eating different types of yogurts to see how your body responds to them. To wrap up, managing your diabetes shouldn't deprive you of the foods you love. With a careful eye on your diet and smarter choices, you can enjoy a wide range of foods. The key lies in moderation and balance, and that includes the journey of finding your perfect yogurt too. In our fast-paced, convenience-driven world, it might seem easier to grab a pot of fruity yogurt off the shelf. But now we know that these often are not the best choice for diabetics due to their high sugar content. Instead, reaching for healthier alternatives like Greek yogurt, plain non-fat yogurt, skyr, soy yogurt, or even going the extra mile to make homemade yogurt can make all the difference in managing diabetes effectively. And isn't that a sweet and healthy note to end on?